Masonry chimney crowns are commonly made with mortar instead of the recommended concrete, which makes the surfaces sandy and porous. ChimneySaver CrownPrep is a water-based polymer conditioner that consolidates the surface prior to application of crown repair products like CrownSeal and CrownCoat. In ASTM testing, CrownPrep improves adhesion of repair coatings by up to 200% to ensure longer-lasting results. To apply CrownPrep, the surface must be clean, dry, and structurally sound. Chimney crown should be cleaned with a wire brush and swept to remove any dust. Apply 2 liberal coats of CrownPrep, wet on wet, to the entire crown with a paintbrush. There is no dry time needed. Immediately following CrownPrep application, apply CrownCoat or CrownSeal.